How have you been?
Yes, I'm doing well. I'm alive and kicking. Everything going smoothly right now. So, what about you?
Yes, here is also everything going smoothly, and I'm enjoying winter. Actually, to be honest, I don't like winter, but I am enjoying because it is up to me live my life happily, and I sit sorrow and say, "Oh, this is winter. How I do this thing, that thing." It is totally up to me. So I try enjoy and live life happily. So yeah,
Yeah,
it is
we cannot no separate from ourselves. It's a season, and all season we have to go through. So we
right.
have to know whether you wish to like or not, but you have to no, you have to tolerate that weather. So winter I don't like too much. Winter I don't like. Moderate winter I like, because when winter comes, no, you get lot of fresh vegetables and fruits. So all these things you get in winter, especially in winter. Other season you don't get that kind of no green vegetables or fresh fruits. So these are
Right.
the advantage. So we should enjoy winter as well.
Favorite is like in a winter, whatever we eat, so we digest. And
Yeah.
in summer, we cannot. And for sleeping, we like I feel only I like sleeping and eating two things in a winter. For working doing especially doing dishes I don't like, so I have to take warm water from geyser and to wash dishes. So that's why for mother it is not good, for kids and family member, for them it is good.
Yes. Yes. So
Okay.
usually you use hot water for do dishes and mopping, cleaning, for
Everything
everything.
actually here is a lot cold, I can say chilly cold here. So I have to do everything with warm water, because I cannot do any house chores with cold water.
Yeah, mostly no laundry work. Reluctantly I do laundry work because it's a very time taken. No, you brush it, you soak it, then you no wash it. So it's the time taking, and in between your foot is also wet and you feel cold. Whether you use hot water, but you feel cold. So
Right.
these are the things we faced, and basically what happened when the temperature goes down. So nowadays in my area, early morning it was a moderate, like like a not too much cloudy, not too much. It's a moderate weather. But now it's a clear sun. It's a sunny day. You can say that, and sunny day means temperature. What happened in night time? Evening means evening after 4 or uh, since 6 o'clock. Its
Mm.
temperature goes no 12, sometime 9 degrees Celsius. So it's too much cold. It's unbearable. We can't go outside.
Right. Only for this time, I feel like if I were boy, so used to go office and I would sit on bed. I say, give me food, give me tea, like that.
Yes, yes. Men's life is better than us. No, they're just ordering. They're sitting and ordering, and we are cooking for them. And
Actually, men also they does like my husband. He get up early in the morning, whole day he does work. Even I am better than him. At least in a day, I can sit front of heater. What I want, I can do. But he cannot. He has to do everything, whatever there is instructed. So that's why I say like we are good.
not like that. Okay, office work is, means also same. Yeah, you don't touch water or something, but environment is not totally same. Like uh, work pressure. Everyone everywhere is a work pressure, but we tolerate work pressure because we earn some money. Whatever we are serving, we are getting some money, so we get happy after end of the month. But as a housewife or house no house member, you don't get any kind of money. Whatever work you are doing, just no for
Family. And one day I was watching a conversation conversation, the girl was asking to lady, what you are doing? You are just a housewife and you are doing something. So that lady said, no, no, this is not a just housewife. It is a very big responsibility to being housewife. We do everything for our
Yes,
family member. If we take one day rest, then family member will realize how much hard this work is,
yes,
right?
yes, yes.
People only like a woman, they also think just a housewife, just a house, but it is like speaking is easy, but being housewife is difficult.
Yes, definitely, definitely. You are 100% right. You know that girls, I think she doesn't do anything, and her mom does everything at home. So that is why she are talking. No, you just a housewife.
Right,
The housewife play a vital role in our life. Okay, because my
right,
mother was also no working. She was working as well as she was a housewife. She is no more right now. So I know that no what kind of double responsibility that kind of person. Being a
right,
housewife, you have lot of responsibility, and you have to complete all the and fulfill all the responsibility, and everyone desire you are the one you have to fulfill. Otherwise, your what all the uh,
our
family
family
member got stuck.
misplaced, I can say everything misplaced. So we
Right.
are big member in our family. But I don't know why people think like a just a housewife, just a housewife. So yeah.
It's okay. Let them think
Yeah,
what
when
they
she
are.
become, when she will become housewife, then she will be
That
realize
time she will
how
realize it.
much this work is.
Yeah. How much responsible work it is. And
Yes, right,
nobody can play, or nobody play this kind of role very sincerely. As a
right,
housewife, when we become housewife, being a housewife, we play no very means attentively. You are responsible for your children, your husband. On time you have to send your no your children to school, and your husband, when they go to office. So everything you have to do on time. Otherwise
right,
no, everything is every means all effort goes spoil end of the day. And
right.
everybody is called, or is called, because of you I got late. So this kind of blaming also you have to tolerate.
We are enjoying, we feel
Yes,
happy, we
yes,
feel joy,
sometimes.
seeing their face and doing everything, so we do happily without I can say expecting anything like they will do for me.
Right.
No,
No, this is
housewife did
our
it. Mhm.
responsibility. Okay, this is my responsibility to bring them nicely, and upbringing or grow them nicely, because they are my own child. And I husband also he is earning for us. No, he is doing a very hard work. Then he
Right.
earns some money, and they fulfill everyone's desire. So we our responsibility is make them comfortable.